Good day, everyone. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to another financial freedom session with Mayowa Owolabi. How are you doing? Tell me where you're joining from. Today's session is going to be an amazing art-to-art talk, and that is why I and my team you can think you know it all, but a question can change so many things for you. Super excited to have you all tonight. Good evening, good morning, wherever you're joining from today. Tell me where you're joining from. Let's put in some sounds while we're waiting for others to join. We're going to start in less than 3 minutes. Let's go. Oh, money matters. Money matters. Money matters. Yeah. Tell me where you're joining from. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where are you joining from today? Thank you for joining. Sage Balogun. Tell me where you're joining from, Sage. I don't understand though. You first even salute self. Is your question you just bombarded me with? You even greet first now. Oh, that's Sage. Balom. Oh, I thought you Euro. I'm joining from Lagos. Christopher Omoise. Good to have you, Christopher. Let's go. Let's go. I'll take your question, Sage, okay? I'll take your question. I'll take your question. Hey, Asong. Good evening, sir. Good evening, brother. How's it going? Good to have you today. Good to have you on today. Tell me where you're joining from. We're gonna kick off in the next less than a minute. Sage, sir, can you explain to us what we can look at in a report? Okay, I'll take your questions once we are in. Great. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're joining from. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, and you're welcome to Financial Freedom with Mayowa Owolabi every Saturday, 7 p.m. And it's been an amazing time together since last year when we started this live broadcast. Really excited about the consistency we've had through the years, and I'm really grateful to God. Thank you for keep showing up. Thank you for always coming on here to learn from our wealth of experience, and I'm really pumped up about it. And just like some weeks to go for the year, today we decided to have what is called frequently asked question with on money with Mayowa Owolabi. So I want you guys to understand that a lot of time people want money, but they are yet to understand what money is. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about our businesses. We're going to be talking about forex trading. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. So you want to shoot your questions today. We'll be here with my team to help share our view, our concerns, and what we've been able to learn over the years. And that's what this session is all about. So as usual, you want to share, make sure you click on the share button, click on the like button so that we can help other people see this. Our goal is to help people have access to these. 1 billion people have access to this, and we've been consistent about this, scaling up every single time. And we can't do it all by ourselves. I can do it by myself alone. But if you can share this to your own audience, you are helping us achieve this goal, reducing the numbers of target that we have for ourselves. And next year, our goal is to reach out to another 1 million people, fresh 1 million people. We're going to be scaling up um, on advert. We're going to be scaling up on so many other platforms that can make us achieve this goal. Guys, it's a long way to go, but we strongly believe that we can make this happen very fast. Okay, and I trust God to use you too. Okay, hey, we have Samuel Oduma also on. Samuel, good to have you today. Super excited. How is it going at your end? So how's your trading been? Great. So how's your trading this week? Tell me, how's your trading this week? What are you investing in currently? The cryptocurrency, I gave you guys an update on the cryptocurrency session. On the cryptocurrency, my view, my take. And you know, a lot of times, some people think I'm very slow in taking decision or conservatively. I'm a conservative person when it comes to trading, but I've seen these guys work over and over again. I used to be an aggressive person. I used to be an aggressive person. But over the years, after studying people that have gone ahead of me, people that are really succeeding in this space, I've concluded that my being aggressive can't take me there, can't give me what I want. Okay, guys, if you have shared, come on, type in shared. Click on share, click on type in I have shared. If you have shared, type in I have shared. If you have shared, let me know. Let me be sure. Uh, see. Let me know if you guys have shared. Click on type in ahead if you have. Great, great, great. I'm also sharing here. We need to increase the numbers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Moduma. Great, great, great. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm doing that right now. Thank you. Thank you. I'm trying to share on all platforms. Let's go. Yeah, we need to increase the numbers, guys. Let's increase the numbers. Okay, so let's get started. What's your question today? Let's start with cryptocurrency, FTX, shutting down, filing bankruptcy. So what do we do when everyone is filing back? When the broker is filing, the exchange is filing bankruptcy? What do we do in this kind of scenario? You know, what do we do in this kind of scenario? Okay, so Christopher Omoze says shared. Okay, so the market, the cryptocurrency market has been really, really like shaking, you know. And if you have been following me, putting 777. If you've been following me on the cryptocurrency update, putting 777. You've been following me. You've been following me on these broadcasts. I might not tell you what will make what will make Bitcoin come to 9,000. I might not tell you what will make Binance come to $40. I might not tell you all these things that will make it happen because I'm not a forex market prophet, okay? But I can tell you from patterns. Everybody typing patterns. Fantastic. So Oduma put in 777. Our song also put in 77. Put it. Yeah. Everybody typing patterns. What people fail to understand or fail to study is pattern. Don't come into any industry without understanding the pattern, how the market moves there, how the money moves in there. Especially for a lot of you that really want to become successful. That's one of the secret about wealth creation. Patterns. You must identify the last time scenarios, the last time, what happened the last time when there was a lot of controversial issues. You want to identify all those things so that it helps your decision making. Okay. And if you can identify that, you will do well in any business. For example, when Bitcoin came out and a lot of people were talking about it, people do not understand the evolution of money. People don't understand evolution of money. Thus, the lifespan of money. The lifespan of every evolution. I had to go sit down and understudy the lifespan of every evolution. And what is the lifespan of that of every evolution? It's always between 100 years and 120 years. For example, every first 15 years is the early adopters. So it means that as cryptocurrency is right now, we are still in the early adopting phase, the early adopters phase, where people who will say, oh, I will never put money in crypto again. I will stop putting money in crypto. And that is the same thing that happened when people were moving into the fiat currency. So you must understand what you're putting your money in, not just following YouTubers and the rest, and you're saying you're making money and all of that. But when you understand the market movement, what happens per time, you will be able to scale up. So for me, I think what is happening in the cryptocurrency market right now is just what will allow us know the brands or the projects that will really scale through. So it is always like that. So this should not make you say, I won't put money in cryptocurrency again. So this should not make you say that. So get ready, because more will still happen. More will still happen. So what will that do? Now, for the past few days now, CZ is putting up transparency, putting up what they have in their cold wallet and all of that, to create more belief, to increase more belief system in the project or in the cryptocurrency space. So what happened? KuCoin also made theirs to open. KuCoin had never said anything about transparency since, but immediately that happened to FTX, they had to make theirs open too, so that people will see that they are not joking. So you have to get ready, because there's still going to be a lot of turbulence here, and it will make the market really go down, and it will give room for the long-term investors to plug in. And for the next 70 years, 35 to 70 years, we're going to go in on a long journey. Go and study Coke, guys. Go and study the movement of Coke after they went public. Go and study what happened in Coke. Go and study what happened in Amazon. Go and study what happened in some company that have lasted over 20, 30 years. You will see what we're talking about there. So money always repeats itself as pattern. So I'll go to Sage question. Okay. So Sage watched one of my videos on COT. Sage, are you there? So Sage watched one of my videos on COT report, and I think that video was uploaded in 2000 and what year was this video uploaded again? Okay, the video I think was uploaded a very long time ago. I think 3-4 years ago, if not 5 years ago, when I just came into the supply and demand zone. Okay. Yes. Oh, really? It's showing that I uploaded it 1 year ago. It's just last year, guys. Okay, it was premiere last year. Oh, really? I thought it's been long though. Oh, I see. So Sage Balaam, I want to answer your question right now, okay? Um, when you see the COT report, basically it helps to understand market behavior, and it allows every trader to know what the institutions are doing. So you actually call the COT, the word COT means commitment of traders, and this is what the banks, the institutions, the corporations, this report is what they send to um, to the government, to the United States government, okay? The financial record report. So once this report is sent a week before it happens, we retail traders can spy that report and use it to take our decisions in the market. However, I don't, in as much as COT is very powerful, you have to understand how to use it. If you don't understand how to use it, you have to go learn it, like learn it. Because the COT report will allow you to know the asset to buy or the currency to buy and the currency that you are not to put your money in. So last week, let me see if the new report is not yet out. Okay, so we still have the last week report. Euro had, let me share my screen so that I can help. I'm not sure, is Salom still on? Sage, are you still online? Let me know if you're not there so we can take other questions. If you're not there, let me take other questions. So I will not just be answering, or you just watch the replay later. So let's go. So your question is, can you explain to us what we look out in? I can't explain everything. Okay, it's a full training. It's a full training. I can't explain everything on frequently asked questions. So if you check this, euro, we had long euro. That means that euro was bullish from the previous report. Okay. And we also had the short 133. Mathematically, you see that the long orders were more than the short orders. So that means that euro has been bullish, okay, for the past few weeks. So if euro has been bullish, you see the changes that they closed more negative. Okay, they closed more negative and they added more positive. So it means that there is 80 to 90% chances that euro will be strong for the week. So if you now come to Swiss francs, where's Swiss francs? Let me find it. Okay, so this is Swiss francs. So if you come to Swiss francs, you see that Swiss francs has been positive, has been the order says that Swiss francs is weak. Swiss francs is weak, okay, because the institutions have more short orders, and the previous week we had they added to their Swiss francs. So if they are selling Swiss francs, how can we now position ourselves as an investor? So it means that for last week, Swiss francs is selling and they are buying, adding more position on for euro. So that will take us to the chart, because from your comment on that particular video, what you said was that there's something wrong, sir. Last week I entered euro chef pair. The euro was strong and this was weak according to the bank decisions, but the euro fell against Swiss francs. So let's go and check what happened on Swiss francs. Good. So this is it. So I think one of the major challenge a lot of traders have is that you don't obey the technicals. Look at here. You can't buy this pair. Look at, we have a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. So what you are looking out for is that you went in and bought, but the market was already creating a structure that you were not honoring. This is our watch this carefully. I don't know the strategy you're using, but no matter the strategy, look at this is your higher high, this is your higher low, this is your higher high. So you can't buy on the euro chef. You can't buy because even the discounted curve, look at, the only rule to buy is anytime you're below the premium. So this is the only place you can buy. It has to come lower. You can't buy in all of these places because there's no retracement yet. Also, you can see that the market has broken this structure here, which is the lower high there, and you have a supply here, which is your supply zone. So you can't even buy. You can't buy. So when you're using the COT report, you must honor market structure, and you must also honor, because what they are sending to us is the market overview. The market overview. Their report could start reading from this new week. So understand that sentiment reports, fundamental report, as powerful as they are, you must have your technical analysis in place. Okay, so I'm trying not to talk about your strategy because I don't know it, but you must add it with your technical analysis. For example, if you're a support and resistance trader and you want to trade this place as support and resistance, when the market got here, there's no confirmation, there's no rejection. And if there's no rejection, it's not worthy your money. There's no rejection. What do I mean by rejection? Look at, when the market got here and it was bullish, the market came into this place. There was a reaction at first, but there was no confirmation. It pushed in lower, then eventually went up. So that means that the market was trying to pull up on this rally-based rally before it going up. So you can't just come to the chart and say, oh, because the institutions are putting in money, I'm going to buy. No, you don't. Don't forget that their orders, this is where their orders started from. This is where their orders started from. Their orders are not starting here. This is where their order started from. This is where, this is where their reaction started from. So if the orders are starting up from here and you are joining the journey from here, you have to use your technical analysis to scale up. So that's my bias. Okay. I'm not sure Sage is still online, but you must know that as powerful as the COT report is, you must use your technical analysis. Okay, great. Chinedu, good evening, sir. Joining all the way from Dubai. Yeah, Chinedu, how is it going? How is Dubai today? How's Dubai today? So tell me, any other question? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Any other question, guys? Any question? Any question? Any question? Tell me, what are your challenges? And if there's no challenge, we're good. So maybe I do some. So write this down. Everybody write this down. Number one, type this on the comment box below. Type in direction, location. Type in direction, location, reaction. Direction, location, reaction. So a lot of you that you're Forex traders, your cryptocurrency traders, that's one of the things that you want to use to scale up. For those that joined the cryptocurrency session the other time, I told you guys that I was going to be selling BNB. I told you I was going to be selling BNB. Remember, if you had joined that session, I think on the told you I was going to be selling BNB on this order block. Remember, so I was going to be selling it there. Then I'll sell it to anything below 20. I know a lot of you were like that day. You'll be saying, Mr. Mayowa, what kind of this thing are you saying here now? And I told you that I'm going to be selling from there to 20. Yes. So the sell has triggered right now. Okay. Sell, 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 sell. So we can get more retracement. We pick that. If there's no retracement, we hold on to that. So I expect BNB to drop more. So I don't know what will happen. I don't know the FOMO that will happen in the market. But something will just happen. And the whole market will go deeper more. Okay, will just happen. Fantastic. So Asong says direction, location, reaction. Yeah, direction, location, reaction. The reaction can also be confirmation. Direction, location, reaction, or confirmation. Please, sir, can you trade pin bar with stocks, with stock and crypto? Sure, you can. Pin bars are powerful. Pin bars are powerful. Yes, very powerful. Let me go to stocks. I have some amazing positions I'm waiting for. Markets. Markets. Market. Let me share my screen. Tell me. So look at what Tesla is doing. Look at what Tesla is doing. Can you see this rejection? It dropped. Hmm? So even before that, you can see this pin bar rose up. But it's not every pin bar that is tradable. It has to be pin bars in alignment with the direction, pin bar in alignment with location, and pin bar in alignment with reaction. Very important. So you don't just trade any pin bar. Okay. Christopher Omoze says, Coach, my question applies to Forex trading. Please educate me on entry strategy in Forex trading. Entry strategy in Forex trading. Entry strategy is broad. There are several. From my head, as I'm talking to you now, there are about 6 entry strategies I'm going to be talking to you about if you want me to share that. Okay? Entry strategy is broad. Okay? So let's go. Let's do some. Look at number 1. Some people's entry strategy is engulfing. Some people's entry strategy is engulfing. So look at this now. Look at this zone. Engulfing. Sell. Went down. Look at this zone. Pin bar. So number 2, pin bar. Some people's entry strategy is breakout. Breakout. And there are so many breakouts. Look at some people, they map here, and as the market breaks out of this zone, they will enter sell. That's what? Breakouts. Breakout. We said engulfing, small candle followed by a big candle. That's engulfing. Pin bar when you have a rejection at a particular zone. Some people's entry strategy is retest. So what does that mean? It means when you look at a chart, okay, you trap it. You trap the low, you trap the high. So when the market breaks above, come back, that's your buy zone. So some people, this is what they will take as a buy. They'll use the middle of this move as entry. Then they do 1 to 50, 1 to 30, depending. This is another trap. They trap 2 points. They trap 2 lows. Okay. So if the market breaks above, if it breaks below, so now the market has broke below, then they wait for the market to come back here and they sell. Okay. As one will say, Mr. Mayowa, this one is working. Oh. Yes. This is another trap. This is another trap. You can see something in common. First move, second move, first move, second move. If you break above anyone, so you can see this one break, this another retest. Oh, first move, second move, first move, second move. It broke below, retest, sell. So, where's my label? Good. So that's retest. Some people's entry strategy, you can see from my head alone. Oh, some people's entry strategy is inside bar. Inside bar. Okay? Inside bar. So let's go and look for inside bar. What's an inside bar? You look for the market to reject at a particular zone. Then this is an inside bar. You can see this red candle dropped. You can see this green candle followed. So this is an inside bar. So this will be your entry. As soon as that inside bar formed, you put 10 or 20 pips. You add 5 or 10 pips after it. So this is your 27 pips. You add 10 pips, so that's 37, or 5 pips, 32 pips. Then you buy. Okay? Then it goes up. So inside bar is there. Inside bar is there. Another one. Another one is symmetric angle. Symmetric, is it symmetric triangle? Sorry, triangle. Which one is symmetric triangle? Yes, now symmetric triangle, very simple. I think I saw it on the Euro JPY this last week. But I don't want to change pair, so let me look for it here. Symmetric triangle. Yes, this is it. So you have, watch carefully. You have this joined together and this joined together. Okay. Whenever the market moves on an impulse, you wait for the symmetric triangle. As the market broke out, voila, you enter. Buy your stop loss below. Then you allow the market go up. 1 to 3, you're good. Another one, symmetric triangle. Join this guy together. Join this guy together. So the market break out. What do? You sell. So you can see when you enter, the first come up back again. If you do not put breathing space, but if you understand the strategy, you can see it went up as if it will close it, then it went up. Symmetric triangle. Oh, another one, teacup. Teacup. So let me stop there because of other questions. So, but as I talk to you now, I can give you about 10 entry strategies in Forex. So, Mr. Mayowa, which one is the best? Every one of them is the best. It depends on you. Everybody type in you. You see, one of the major challenges we have about money making is that people always compare themselves. That's one of the major challenges I have noticed. People always compare themselves. When somebody says, oh, this one is working, some people will drop that particular one that they are aware of, that they know, then they will now start using another one. So that's one of the major challenges. So as it is for me, I only use what we call ITC strategy, which has we have liquidity there, we have stop loss on, we have break of structure, we have all those ones that I said. So in my own entry, I have about 5 checklists in my entry strategy. So all of them works, but I want you to know that you just have to pick 2 or 3, master it and stay with it. Either it hits your stop loss, either it made you lose money. Don't jump around. That's one of the challenges I have. Even when it comes to business, a lot of you, all you're doing is you're jumping around. Once this one does not give you the money you're looking for, you leave it, you go to another one. No, don't jump around, guys. Don't jump around. Stay with it. What will make you change an entry strategy is maybe after 3 to 6 months that you have used it and it's not working. But changing a strategy or an entry approach every time, I tell you, it's not going to work. Why am I not using all these ones I just mentioned to you? It's because over time, I have moved from knowledge phase to experiential phase, and I've moved from experiential phase to revelational phase, which is where I create what works for me. And that you need to master minimum between 3 to 5 years. After you've practiced, then you now create the one that works for you, or you will identify in all of the existing one, the one that works for you. So that's what I use for myself, and it's been working for me for more than 2-3 years right now. So I don't want to change it. But you see, the challenge, like I said, people like to jump around. So have I answered your question, Christopher? And any strategy you're using, always put in breathing space. Put some extra stop loss that will help you. Okay? Very, very important. Have I helped you, bro? Fantastic. So Samuel says, sir, do you use the same TA for Forex, cryptocurrency, and stocks? Yes. ITC, institutional trading concept, works for everything. Works for everything. So that is why I stick to it. Okay? Yes, so I use it for stocks. It's the same one that made me to know 2020 that Bitcoin was coming to 4,000. It's still the same one that made me to know that Bitcoin is coming below 9,000. So I've not changed it. But some of you, you have used like 200, like 20 strategies in 2 years or in 1 year. So it's the same technical analysis that I use for stocks, okay. For example, now I'm looking at metal. I'm looking at metal to come as low as $40. I'm looking at metal to come as low as $40 or $45. Will that really happen? Time will tell. When will it happen? It will happen. But will it happen? Time will tell. Time will tell. Okay? Time will tell. For example, now Tesla, I'm expecting Tesla to also come down. And you can see, even the CEO now has sold some billions of shares. I'm expecting Tesla to come to $20. And currently, Tesla is at $195. Will that happen? Time will tell. Time will tell. Microsoft, I'm expecting Microsoft to come below $40. Will that happen? Time will tell. Nike. Now let me talk about Nike, so I will not shake them. Nike. Amazon. Amazon is coming down. Will it happen? Time will tell. Okay, so we need to identify the technical analysis we're going to be using. We're good to go. So Chinedu says, please sir, in stock trading, do you have any sessions and days of the week that is the best for trading and you can trade them any time of the day? Stocks. Okay, so I don't trade stocks in the week. I only invest in stocks. The other one I'm looking out for right now is trading options on stocks. Okay, trading options on stocks. That's what I'm staring at right now. In couple of in 2-3 months time, we will have a team that will be doing that in the office. But my own approach is I trade Forex and I trade crypto futures. Whatever I do in there, I invest in cryptocurrency, spot, and I invest in stocks. So I don't encourage you to trade stocks like Forex because the leverage is not there and it's not as volatile as Forex. So stick to Forex, in stock, invest in crypto, invest in crypto, invest in crypto, invest in stocks. Don't trade like weekly. Okay, Christopher says, thank you, sir. Christopher says, yes, coach, thanks a million. Samuel says, thanks. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome. Okay, so another question from Samuel Oduma is, what about synthetic index, binary? What is your question? What's your question for synthetic index? What's your question? You just said, what about? Yes, that's the same thing. I use the same technical analysis for all my charts. I don't change them. I don't change them. Like I said, it works on every chart. Every chart is based on supply and demand. Every chart, not some chart. Every chart works on supply and demand. On every chart, what is there is supply and demand. So you have to be sure of what you're looking for. Coming. Let me see if I can open. Jesus, Jesus. I'm trying to pull all of that together for you guys. So TA works, like I said, TA works. Then I use the same strategy. So what broker is better for trading stocks? So many. You can use eToro. You can use FX, FXTM. A lot of them. A lot of them. You can use eToro. And I've shared with you the mentality that one broker is better. They are almost all the same. They are almost all the same. There's none of them. They are like landlords. They don't want everyone to build their own house. So as you trade, just make sure you are withdrawing so that you don't leave your money permanently there. Some of you, your challenge is taking profit. You want to grow $100 to $1,000,000. No, now once you do 10,000, withdraw. When you do 200,000, withdraw. When you do 50, even when you do $1,000, withdraw. Withdraw. Don't turn to don't worry. If you see what I want to buy, Mr. Mayowa, if you see what I want to buy, guys, be calming down. Be calming down. Okay. Any other question, guys? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Any other question? I'm sure I've been able to help you guys tonight. I'm sure I've been able to help you guys tonight. If there's still any question, I can take one more. I'm going to take one more. Okay. So launching the intraday strategy this month so that you guys can have access to it. So watch out for the print bar strategy. And we're launching it with we're having our 30 days, our Black Friday offer this week. So our Black Friday offer this week. So get ready, go and save up your money so that you won't miss out on the Black Friday offer. A lot of you have been looking out for ways to join the group. This will be the time to join the group, the crypto group, the Forex group, any of the groups you guys want to join. This is the time to get ready for it. I'll begin to go. Okay, guys. Sure, you gained some value. If you have any question, you can chat up with the admin on the number showing on the screen. I'm going to be scaling up from there. So that'll be all for tonight, okay? If you're in the city of Akure, I'm going to be in Akure tomorrow. I'm going to be in Akure tomorrow. I'm going to be having some closed door session with the people in Akure tomorrow. So I'm excited about it. We're going to be sharing some deep stuff with them. I'm excited. I'm excited about that meeting. I'm excited about that meeting. It's going to be a great time. Then, if you're also, yes, we're also going to be releasing our futures training available for you guys. If you want to buy it, get ready. We're going to be having access to it. But the people in the cryptocurrency, Midas Crypto Vault, you have access to it for free. So much value every time spent with you is gold. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much, Samuel. Thank you so much. I'm excited with you guys' feedback. I'm excited with you guys' feedback. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah. Chinedu, you want Chinedu, you are intentional about this trading journey. I'm excited. Nice one for you. I'm excited. Okay. That'll be all for tonight. I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. We'll talk about the Forex market. And like I said, this week we're starting the Black Friday. It's going to be lasting for about 2 weeks. So get ready so that you can partake. A lot of you want my inner campus mentorship. You will have access to it with this opportunity. So I'm excited. Have a great day. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. I'll see you guys next week. Remember that the floor is crowded. Do all it takes to get to the top by learning and by investing in education. Have a pleasant evening. God bless you. Peace out, guys.